Mambura ma kuririkana gukua na kuriuka kwa Jesu Kristo ni mambura makunguyagirwo ni Akristiano na njira nene, kuria macemanagia nyumba-ini cia ihoero na gutongorio na igongona ria mahoya ni atungatiri na ahunjia. Umuthi kuroneka kuri muthenya wa mwanya na wa gutura uririkanitwo ni aingi. Akristiano makioneka gukunguira na kwamukira mahunjio kugerera nenda-ini itiganite cia ukinyaniria kumana na king'uki gia coronavirus kiria kigiritie andu gucemania hamwe. Kanitha wa Anglican wa St Peter mwena wa Siakago kaunti-ini ya Embu, igongona ritabanirio ni atungatiri 7 na arumiriri 4, o mundu agitikirio kwiyoera giathi, kuria mutungatiri wa kanitha uyu oririe Akristiano guthie na mbere na kuhoera bururi.
God who delivered them and fought their enemies.
Mutungatiri wa kanitha wa Life Mission mwena wa Muto kaunti-ini ya Kiambu John Kaferere nake atabanirie igongona ria mahoya kugerera mutambo wa Facebook, arumiriri a kanitha uyu makiamukira mahunjio maya imwe kwa imwe.
To go back to God. It is time for Africa to go back to God.
There's still a gap. For those who are preaching through the media, especially the TV, you know, their members are able to watch live, but for us, for those who have to connect through the internet, it's a bit tricky. And that is why I'm saying there's much difference. And I think, and also there is also that time of praising, worshiping. You are able to praise, you are able to worship, you are able even to glorify God, but we don't have that opportunity. Yet we are doing it at home, but not as
na tugicera kanitha-ini ingi maundu matironeka gukorwo mari na ngurani, family imwe ikioneka gutabania mahoya mari mucii kwao na thutha ucio kunyitanira na arumiriri aria ingi mutambo-ini wa YouTube.
We are grateful to our church that we've been able to continue having our Sunday services as we were doing before. We've not missed any single service. What we do is that we just wake up in the morning. The beauty is you don't have to wake up very early.
Tazama mtumishi wa maana
ona kuhana uguo katekist wa kanitha wa Gatoleki wa St Paul kaunti-ini ya Baringo George Abielo agarurire mucii wake na kutua nyumba ya ihoero kuria atongoririe family yake na mahoya, o mumemba wa family akiheo kamwe kega guthoma gacunji ka Biblia.
Waliona njiani, walinikimbilia.
Kwenye ibada hiyo, baada ya kusikiliza neno la Mungu, tukikumbuka mateso ya Jesu Kristo, tukiwa Wakatoliki tunapaswa kuwa na nafasi ya kupokea Ekaristia takatifu.
Prayer, it doesn't matter where you are, whether you are in church, whether you're at home, whichever place you are in. So long as you're praying, having poured your heart to God and everything, prayer will still remain the same thing that it has been before.
Handu-ini Hakameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.